Kickstart your modeling and acting journey in India. Dreaming of the limelight? Ready to take the plunge into the glamorous world of modeling and acting in India? With the right mix of preparation, perseverance, and pizzazz, you can carve out a shining career. Here's your ultimate guide to making it big in the industry. 1. First things first. Know thyself. Before you embark on this journey, take a moment to reflect. Assess your strengths and pinpoint areas where you need to improve. Acting and modeling classes can work wonders. Workshops on acting, voice modulation, body language, and runway walking provide a strong foundation. 2. Build a killer portfolio. Your portfolio is your golden ticket. Aspiring models need high-quality photos, showcasing versatility across different looks and styles. For actors, headshots and a demo reel are essential. Collaborate with experienced photographers and videographers to create a portfolio that screams star material. 3. Training, the backbone of your career. Consider enrolling in a reputable acting or modeling school. Schools like the Film and Television Institute of India (FTII) in Pune and the National School of Drama and ST in Delhi offer excellent training and exposure. Learn from the best to become the best. 4. Find your industry ally, a good agent or agency. A reliable agent or agency is your gateway to auditions and job opportunities. Research agencies that specialize in your niche, be it acting, runway modeling, or commercials. Ensure they are reputable and well-connected in the industry. 5. Hit the ground running. Auditions and casting calls. Auditions can offer significant benefits. Get into the routine of taking part in casting calls to improve your skills and exposure. Keep in touch with casting directors and talent agencies through social media platforms, where they frequently share casting information in WhatsApp groups and industry-related Facebook groups. Maintaining a dedicated approach is crucial, so remain focused on achieving your aspirations. 6. Network like a pro. Building a strong network is crucial. Attend industry events, film festivals, fashion shows, and other relevant gatherings. Connect with industry professionals, casting directors, producers, photographers, and fellow actors and models. Networking can open doors to valuable opportunities and collaborations. 7. Social media, your digital stage. In today's digital world, a strong social media presence is a must. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube, etc., are perfect for showcasing your talent and building a following. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and use relevant hashtags to boost your visibility. 8. Stay in the loop. Industry trends. The entertainment and fashion industries are ever-evolving. Keep up with the latest trends, popular photographers, directors, and casting calls. Subscribe to industry magazines, follow influential personalities on social media, and participate in online forums and discussions. 9. Embrace rejection. Stay resilient. Rejection is part of the game. Not every audition or casting call will be a win, and that's perfectly okay. Learn from each experience, stay resilient, and keep honing your skills. A positive attitude and perseverance are your best allies. 10. Health is wealth. A successful career demands physical and mental well-being. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient rest. Practice mindfulness or meditation to manage stress and stay focused on your goals. Conclusion: starting a modeling and acting career in India is a thrilling journey that requires dedication, hard work, and strategic planning. By honing your skills, building a standout portfolio, networking, and staying resilient, you can pave the way for a successful career in the dynamic world of entertainment and fashion. Every step you take brings you closer to your dream, so keep pushing forward with passion and confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.